Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you, what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Japan that came in a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Myojo Charumera. Okay, so I know I've told you this if you haven't watched the last recent episodes, though. The little guy with the horn, that horn is a Charumera, and so it's kind of like the ice cream man, but for ramen in Japan from a long time ago. But this is their Shoyu ramen. I think it's got to be Shoyu. It's red. 3 minutes, 320 mils of water. We are going to do this. I was in the last episode. I said, I'm only going to do one today. Baby. I kind of decided to do another. Mainly because I'll let the one that I just had cool down. I don't know though. I might go like, hey, this one's sensational. So we're gonna turn this off as this is another bowl variety. Take our Noodle block, put it in the pot. We're gonna put this one in. This comes with a slice of chashu. Pepperoni chashu. That's what I like to call it. Yeah, these things, see, it's like a slice of pepperoni. Yeah. Never been, like, very rarely am I impressed with pre-impregnated chashu. It's generally not my thing. But sometimes the round varieties have good ones. I think I had a Myojo one that had a really good one the other day. There we go. Give it a little start there. And then we click start on the magical thing. There we go. Anyways, yeah. If you didn't see in the last episode, we have a puppy. And she's right freaking there. And totally beat. I took her out walking for like an hour and a half. We really didn't go that far, but she's so freaking all over the place. She wants to go this way and this way and this way. My arm is just like shaking from literally having to go up, 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 up. But I think the best part is when we were close to home and all of a sudden it got really windy and it was blowing leaves all over the place and she was just like super stoked, just like darting everywhere trying to catch leaves. Like, okay, I give up here. You can have the full length of the lead and you can go chase leaves all you want, kid. It's cool. Her name's Pepper. She's 9 weeks old. She's still teething. Yeah. She's gonna get big. So freaking cute. She's nice and soft. And she's a black lab. And yeah, she's gonna get big, but and she's snoring. She's snoring. Yeah. Oh, sweetie. You tired? Yeah? Is that a lot? Give it a sniff. Say hello to the nice people. Yeah. Yeah. You go and take a load off, kid. Yeah. Oh my God. She's so great. It's been a struggle for me though, because like when she starts barking and yelping and the kids start doing it too, and we're trying to like school her on certain things and then the kids say the same thing we just said, and oh my God, it just gets so chaotic and insane. Very hard to hack that for me. It's just like anxiety city, but we're figuring out, right? We're figuring things out. We'll get there. When she's a baby. So, but yeah. Shrieking, barking, it's tough. It's tough. Well, we'll get there. I can't wait because it's like she's going to do really well when we go out on the trail, and she can walk really fast already. Not trying to, like, you know, completely... Oh, I got it. Don't worry. You'll get used to this. You will so get used to this. Yeah. She's doing good already. In fact, we saw a lady at the park, and she was just like, how old's that dog? She knows this. She knows, wow, that's insane. She's like really learning quick. You should be stoked about that. I'm like, well, yeah. Of course, I have a genius dog. You are a genius dog, Pepper. A wonderful genius dog who likes to chase leaves in the wind. Yes, you do. Who doesn't? Okay, now where'd that Shoyu go? Come on. I have my own Shoyu. Oh man, I hate it when it does this. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite and give this a try. The Noodle. Not bad. The last one I did was microwave, and honestly, as per instruction, and honestly, it surprises me how much I like certain microwave varieties. They actually come out really well. There's the Shoyu. Here, come on. Here's some noodle, or some broth. Here's the Shoyu that comes with. I'm just gonna eat it. Tastes like a slice of ham. Not bad, but since I make my own Shoyu, it just kind of hurts to just use that, so I don't. But I do taste the flavor of the biscuit, the goodness of the biscuit. Taste the biscuit, taste the goodness of the biscuit. Oh, I want to thank everybody in the group that offered names for the puppy. If you haven't joined up, you can always join at any time. Go on Facebook and look up Ramen Junkies and hang out with over 70,000 like-minded instant noodle people. I don't know if they're all like-minded. Some of them are absolute idiots. But, you know, plenty of them are nice enough. So, I don't think they warrant further incarceration. You never know. I think plenty of them have been incarcerated. But, oh, and we have a new moderator. The Ramen Junkies group moderators are known as Section 42. And that has to do with a quote out of a book by the guy who invented the instant noodle, Momofuku Ando. And the quote goes as follows: think, and think again. The more I beat my brains, I pass blood in my urine. And that's like the weirdest freaking thing in the world. And of the quotes in the book, that is number 42. So I thought that was an apt name for the brethren of the Holy Ramen Junkie group that run the show. Actually, there's a girl in there. So brethren and sistren. Dudes and, whatever. I want to be equally, yeah. Anyways, shout out to y'all. I don't think they even watch this show. Oh, crushed red pepper. I should have used shichimi. Oh, God. What kind of freaking ramen raider am I? Yeah, Charumera, Shoyu ramen. It's not bad. If you need a bowl of noodles, this is a bowl of noodles with a soy sauce flavor. So there you go. So watch it spin. Okay, that's one more than I planned on doing today, so I'm pretty jazzed about that. Yeah, do the whole like, subscribe thing if you wanna. If you do, it makes me happy. Wow, it's windy outside. Trees are going blah, 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 blah. It's, January 9th today. We do have a new Speaker of the House. That was a shit show. Yeah. Almost had a fight. Had to pull some guy off. Gabble, gabble, gabble. Keep it civil. Pretty crazy. Anyways, that's all past history for you, and I'm sure you're enjoying the wonderful enrichment of a Republican-led House of Representatives. This has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Might be the only thing you have left to enjoy. Have a good one. Bye-bye.